Okay. Ready for this?
Will I need both hands?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
I might be able to do it fast enough too. Okay, here we go.
So we're knocking all the bees to the bottom so we can get this can out. The can has food in there for them for while they're in transit. We don't want them all to fly away, so we're going to cover that up now that we've got the can out. And now we need to take the queen out, so she's inside this tiny little chamber. That's the queen. Gonna take the cork out and then make sure she doesn't fly away. Just put my finger over it. Okay.
And there's no other. Let me look at it really quick. Let go of it. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure there was no other thing in there. Okay, so you're gonna put that in there and let go of it, and then I'm gonna dump these in there.
Okay.
Oh wait, I gotta get the bee brush.
So this is interesting. The queen actually starts out from a totally different colony, and when she's shipped in this special little container, and then she's introduced to the colony when we add them all together.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, drop it in.
Basically just pouring a whole bunch of bees into this thing. I can feel a few of them on my legs. We want to get as many of them in here and touching the queen as possible so that they know they're supposed to be here. Carefully brushing them into the hive, and then we're going to close it up. And hopefully they'll figure it out. The queen has a pretty nice good smell, so she should convince everybody to stay with her.
Down in there.
There's so many bees in there. No, don't get squished, bees!